Hello again, and now with day one roadmap. So we are starting unit one, biological molecules. We have 2 lessons to cover today. The morning lesson is just the navigation through the course and knowing and learning how the course works. At 11, we're going to meet on Teams, and then after the meeting, you can have 1 hour or half an hour break, and then start working on lesson 1.1, water, the important properties of water molecules. So this is, at a glance, the different activities that you'll do today. So this is the suggested time, the morning from 9 to 11:30 and the afternoon from 12:30 to 3. As you can see, you'll start here. You have a list of all the different activities that you'll be working on. So you'll start by 1.0.0, which is the Student Hub certification, and you attach it to the assignment on our homepage. And then you do the check-in of day one, and then you're going to watch the course overview video, then create a personal introduction media and post it in the discussion, then watch the course roadmap video and create your own to-do list or schedule of work. These are all must-do activities. Then after you create your schedule of the day, you can share it with your friends. And by sharing it, you can listen to or get their comments, know what they think about your schedule, get ideas from them. So this is how the morning will work. Then at 11 we'll meet on Teams. Then you'll start the activities of lesson 1.1. This is another form for the checklist of the activities. I would print out one of these slides and use as a checklist so that I can tell what I have finished, what I still have to do. And then finally, this is just a model for the to-do list that you can create. So if we go to our Minds Online, here we are on Minds Online, the content of lesson 1. You'll find the day 1 check-in. Click here, it will open a Google form, submit it, and it has 2 questions. Reflect upon them because this is what you will need to add into your introduction. Then the second one is introducing yourself and post it into the discussion. And here you have some rules and guidelines for posting in discussions. It's very important. It's one of the skills that you're learning today. So you will post in the discussion. There is a specific numbered post in which you are going to post this discussion, specific thread. It has the number 1.0.2, introducing yourself. And this is the description of the task. And then in your portfolio, you're going to create a graphic organizer for a daily plan or a to-do list. You can share it. This is a should do. And you can provide feedback to your classmates. And this is an aspire to do. Finally, if you click on this Mastery Check 1.0, you can answer the questions that show that you have mastered the content. And that's it for lesson 1.0. As for 1.1, same thing. You have a should do. It's just a reminder of what's the difference between ionic and molecular compounds. And then levels of organization. And as you can see, you're going to post it also in your portfolio. And remember to number it 1.2.2. So every post or task that you post in the portfolio, put the number of the task in it, please, as a label. And a third should do, which is you're going to reflect on how your understanding changed. An aspire to do, in which you're going to make 3 sentences and post them in the discussion. As I said, the must do are for you to pass the mastery check of the day. The should do better prepare you for the unit task and the culminating task, and the aspire to do prepare you for university. So this doesn't mean that you do only the must do. The must do are what is needed for the mastery check of the day. But if you don't have time today to finish all the should do and aspire to do, you can keep the should do and aspire to do for later, but they have to be done. So the first action, this is a must do. Unique properties of water. You're going to read, do an interactive activity. While reading, while doing the interactive activity, you're taking notes. Choose one of these 2 videos and take notes. Then you're going to answer this reflection question in the portfolio. This aspire to do is a research. And then polarity and intermolecular forces of attraction. And this is actually the properties of water. It's a must do. You're going to play with this interactive activity. Then as a result, you will learn things, put them in a note. You can use the Cornell note in the templates given in the activity feed. And then do this quiz. It's a must do. And finally, you are ready for the mastery check. When you're done with the mastery check, this mastery check is actually a graphic organizer that you're going to create, in which you're going to use the 4 terms that are highlighted at the beginning. These are the key words that are always posted at the beginning. And then finally, the consolidation. This is a must-do simple lab investigation. If you have any questions, send me an email, but I would like you to read, interpret, follow the instructions, create the table of observation, write your observation, interpret the results, and finally reach a conclusion. If you click here, there is a copy of the investigation. So it describes exactly what you're going to do and the material that is needed, which is very simple material. And finally, you are going to describe your results. Then submit your work in the assignment. So here, when you click on submit your work, it will take you to the Dropbox where you're going to drop your assignment and say submit it, please. Finally, these are 2 reflections, should do, which means that they're not essential for today's mastery check, but they are essential for the culminating task and the unit task. And finally, this is the learning skills and work habits of today. So you'll just choose how you evaluate your work, which level is it, and then take a screenshot and keep it in your portfolio and label it with 1-1-10 learning skills and work habits self-check of day 1. And that's it for today.